so weird. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good. So today I'm bringing you a quick little speed clean with me. Because from the looks of it, look at this house. Oh my god, Dios mío. Parece que un freaking tornado went through here. Well, this weekend I was just very lazy. My husband was sick and I really wasn't, feeling like cleaning up after myself. But today, let's, tackle those dishes. It's a hot mess over here. But yeah, you guys, follow along with me. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration in case your house is looking like a hot mess like mine. Let's get to cleaning, girls. Those little things I'm packing up right there, my vecina gave them to me. They're these little empanadas and they were so good, so I'm saving them for later. So shout out to the real MVP over here. Throughout the video, you see him helping me a little bit, even though he was feeling sick. He's such a trooper. Starting to wear gloves now when I do dishes because I was really messing up my nails and my cuticles and stuff, so I hope it helps. and they're kind of cute, you know. I mean, how cute can gloves be? I don't know. Best feeling ever. Oh my god, look at it, look at you guys. Nice and clean, the dishes are done, everything is just back in order. Thank you so much for cleaning with me, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you so much motivation to get up and clean your house if you need it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and I'll be posting videos at least 3 times a week, so I'll be seeing you soon, ladies. Thanks so much for watching again. I really appreciate it. Bye bye now.